By the 18th century, the term conquistador was no longer used to describe Spanish explorers and colonizers, as their era of large-scale territorial conquest had largely ended. However, Spanish colonial powers continued to expand and solidify control over their American and Asian territories, employing brutal methods to suppress indigenous resistance, maintain the colonial order, and extract resources. Indigenous uprisings against Spanish rule became more frequent as colonial exploitation and abuses deepened. In Peru, the Tupac Amaru Rebellion, led by José Gabriel Condorcanqui, also known as Tupac Amaru II, was one of the largest uprisings against Spanish colonial rule in South America. After early victories, the rebellion was crushed with extreme brutality. Although the encomienda system was abolished, forced labor persisted under different names. Catholic missionaries established missions to civilize indigenous populations, forcibly relocating them and stripping their cultures. Spanish expeditions into northern Mexico and Texas clashed violently with indigenous groups. In the Philippines, Spanish campaigns against the Muslim sultanates were marked by massacres. Under the Bourbon monarchs, Spain centralized colonial administration, exploiting indigenous labor. Military expeditions suppressed dissent, targeting villages and executing populations. The brutal policies led to significant declines in indigenous populations. The 18th century Spanish colonial period was defined by violent enforcement of authority and exploitation. Though not marked by earlier conquests, the brutality of Spanish rule remained a key aspect of its empire.